Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to find our Elite Member Learning Center information, how you can log in and access that information. And if you don't have that information, of course, you can reach out to me if you can't find this or if it doesn't allow you in. So first off, what we want to do is go over, this is bullishboblive.com for those of you who don't know. This is our website, and we do have a private Discord as well, and we have our elite members in there where you have access to our trading indicators, you have access to live trading every day, and you have access to pretty much everything that I have access to. So I share that with our community and our team, so we all have that same information. But going over the top here, we do have a lot of free guides and informational channels. This is going to be something that I would definitely look at if you are a new trader. Take a look at this, and if you're just getting into trading, I think that's a great start. A lot of resources there that can be very helpful. And then at the top here, we have the Elite Member Learning Center. The way that you're going to be able to access these channels is you're going to have to log in with your membership. And if you don't have access to this, if you go ahead and log in and follow the steps like I'm doing here, you'll see, are you already a member? Yes, I am. I'll log in with Google. You can choose your account that you're logging in with, and you can go ahead and let's see, scroll down, hit continue. We're good to go, and now all of a sudden I am logged in. So now I should be able to access these channels. So if I go to the Elite Member Learning Center, I click this, you can see now the page and the channel will load up, and I do have access to this information. And what this is here is one of many new channels that we've added for you guys. That way, what we want to do is really eliminate a lot of the BS in the market and focus on what has really helped me over the years of my trading. I'm a full-time trader. So I want to share with you what I've learned over the course of my career. That way you can kind of skip to the front of the line instead of waiting, trying to learn from someone in a day trading chat where you're not getting the full transparency, you're not getting the full picture. So in here, you're going to have access to a number of channels, and we're going to be continuing to add to this this year, and I'm really excited about that. And we're going to have a lot of information here again that's going to be very specific to what we're doing: low float momentum trading and day trading in general, and trading SPY 0-day expiration contracts, so same day expiration. So that's something that we're going to really focus on going forward. So if you want to learn that, the Elite membership, you can find that in our pricing page over here. So this is going to be our Elite Member Learning Center first. We'll go over each channel. This channel and this page, it's just going to ask you a number of key questions when it comes to trading to kind of gauge where you're at in your learning path. That's exactly what it's asking here. And so once we get that from you, we can then better calibrate what's going to happen for you, or curate the information that's going to be, helpful for the stage that you're at. Because there's going to be beginner traders, there's going to be advanced traders, right? We have all different types of traders in this market and in our community. So we want to make sure that we're helping everyone out the best we can, and make sure that we're focused on what you're looking to learn. So the Elite Learning Center, this is new. Come in here, answer a few questions, go through. You'll see that you can actually, let's see, we can say, let's go ahead and run through this real quick. How long have you been actively trading? We'll say 5+ years. Next question. Okay, what does low float mean to you? Let's see, under 25 million shares. Preferred for momentum plays. Yes, that's right. Let's see. New high of day and HOD, right? So we're looking for new high of day, bullish breakout signal. Okay, there we go. And let's continue. How do you typically handle SEC trading halt? Let's see, I panic and exit before the halt. I don't think so. I wait and see what happens when it resumes. That's reasonable. I prepare both scenarios, gap up, gap down, and plan accordingly. Yes, I think that's going to be correct. I analyze level 2, news catalyst, halt type, and position size before the resume, which we already have done that. I would say we prepare for both scenarios. What role does volume play in your trading decisions? Well, let's see. I use it to confirm entries and exits. Volume is my primary confirmation. No volume to trade. That is my number one rule, so I believe that's going to be the correct question, or answer, excuse me. What is your primary trading style? Let's see. For me, let's see, scalping. I like to scalp, and momentum trading. Let's go with momentum trading here, or we'll go with scalping, and we'll go ahead there. So now what it's going to say is this is your path. Elite refinement. It shows that I'm an advanced trader, and it's going to recommend some guides here, or some classes, some guides, some information that's going to help me out in my journey of learning. So if that's something that applies to you, you can go through this and really start to learn and understand. So you can click on, you can go through these guides here up top, and you can actually click on each one of these and start to learn. You can click on the classes, start to learn each one of these classes if you prefer to learn that way. And we have our glossary as well if you're just looking to learn some of those definitions and what that means. So again, this is just a really quick way to, get to the point, get to the front of the line, start learning, stop trailing behind, especially when it comes to momentum trading, because that's what we've been doing my whole career. So if I go to the Elite Member Learning Center up top, let's go to the next section here. Play and Learn Trading Academy. This one's really fun. This is something that's new. We're just testing it out. If you guys like this, great. Let us know. If this is not something that you are really loving, great. Just let us know either way. We're testing this out with our community. This is more of a game type of approach to learning. So it's really like if you want a lighthearted, fun approach to learning, and just if you're a beginner, this is something that might be fun. Even if you're advanced, it might be something fun to try out to test your skills. But you go in here and you can just, have these tips are going to pop up like this. A red day, that's tuition. Every professional trader has paid it. That's correct. The difference between the ones who've made it and the ones who didn't, the ones who made it learned from those red days. And isn't that one of the truest things ever said, right? So we'll say, got it, Bob. And then you can just go through this and you can start learning. If you start to Let's Trade here, you'll see that that's going to go through a game. You start playing a game and there's actually a leaderboard in there as well. So that's a fun way for us to learn and grow at the same time, but in a more lighthearted way, because, trading with, money, it can be very stressful at times, right? So this is a fun approach to that learning. At the top, we have the Elite SPY 0-day to expiration compass indicator. So if you click on this, you'll see this is one of the new indicators that we've just released. We give you a full guide on that indicator and what's happening, why it's valuable. We explain exactly what you're looking at. And this is something that we will be updating. So as we find ways that this really gives us that edge and advantage, we are going to be adding that to this as well. So it's really just a full breakdown. And that's what we plan on doing, as we plan on adding this information to our site, so that way our elite members have access to this. That way it's not a question of, what indicator should I be using, what applies to my style of trading. Now you can go through here and you can get a full guide, tutorial, understand what's going on and why, and that's really going to help you with that conviction there, if that's going to be for you or not. The Elite Educational Newsletter. So this is something that we send out every Friday to all of our members, but our elite members have access to that archive. So you have access to our previous emails and newsletters that get sent out each Friday. You have access to each one of those, which is something that I curate every week on something that's either very important for me during that week, during that month, that year, or it may not be even time. It may just be about learning about different strategy or what's helped me in my own process. This is something our community has really enjoyed, and this is something that I've enjoyed giving out to our community as well, giving those insights of what I'm going through. And I think that's really helped other traders as well. This past week, it was about bounce plays and the hidden risk that no one talks about behind those bounce plays. And I thought this was really important, just going over that topic. And you can just scroll through and really just start to learn. And this, again, is something that we send out each week to your email, but then elite members, you'll have access to be able to really just review this information. So if you missed out on something, you don't have to check those emails. You can go ahead and find it in here. Next up, we have the risk management and capital protection. Let's click on that. This is just a complete guide on basically, if you don't have a stop loss, then you don't have a plan, right? And that's really something that we teach to our members, and something that we've always stuck to, something I've stuck to myself. It doesn't have to be a hard stop. It can be a mental stop, but regardless, having a stop loss in general is so important. And we just break down exactly why it's important, especially for low float momentum trading. And again, this is going to be very specific to our elite members, and it's going to be very specific to the style of trading that we're doing. So this is going to be very helpful information that's actually applicable today, rather than, maybe down the road, or it's something that's a general statement. This is specific to the style of trading that we are all in this for that low float momentum that we all love to see. The complete low float intelligence guide. If you want to learn about low float and why it matters, this is your guide here. It's going to completely break that down for you and help you understand what is going on, what is low float, and why it matters. It's your mastery guide on that. Again, these will be updated. More will be added, but this is a great start, a great base for any trader to come in here and just start learning and understanding why these numbers matter and why they're so embedded into our scanners and everything else that's going to be important to us. We have a trading psychology complete course. This is really cool, guys. This is something that I spent a lot of time with, and this is something that I'm very proud of because this is something that we all deal with, right? The most important thing when it comes to trading is not the trades itself. It's what's going on in our brains, right? That emotional side of things and how we handle that as a trader, and how you handle that as a trader is honestly going to define the trader that you are and define if you find success or not. And so we break that down. We help you understand why you're thinking the way you're thinking, and just through experience and why it matters, right? And just there's so much information in here that you'll just be able to gain this knowledge that if you allow it to sink in, it's something that will stick for the rest of your career. And I'm really proud of that myself. So again, this is the Trading Psychology. This is a complete course. You have access to this as an elite member. All of our elite members have access to this information, all of these channels, and it's really cool. We have the premium workshop archive, and this is going to be our red to green workshop that we host almost every month. Sometimes I'm a little busy, so I will say that I've been slacking a little bit, but I do want to pick this back up. I don't want to focus so much on just red to green. I do want to focus on everything in between as well, just trading tutorials, indicator tutorials, and just really answer questions for our community and just open it up so we can have a live session together maybe each month. But this is something that if you guys have access to this as an elite member, you have access to our previous sessions. These were really fun. These were live, and we had a lot of questions answered in these sessions. So if you have a question, most likely it may be answered in one of these. So I would suggest take some time learning in there. This is our premium workshop archive. This is something that our premium members and elite members have access to attend, but our elite members have access to the archive sessions. And these are going to be long sessions that are a little bit longer, but more detailed. So you have access to that and you can watch it and learn at your own pace. And that's the whole point of this page, guys. That's the whole point of the site itself, is to give you a safe place to learn applicable strategies, applicable information that is something that, it's not general information. Because if you go look up a lot of the information, on the internet about trading stocks in general, you're going to get a lot of information that's scattered among different categories. But what we focus on is low float momentum. That's number one. And we focus on option strategy, basically just calls and puts in directional type of moves. And that we're talking day trades, scalps, and small trend moves. So we're not talking holding overnight. These are going to be quick trades on all of them. So if you want to learn that type of strategy, if you want to learn and grow with our community, you do have access to this in our elite member group here. Head on over to our pricing page, check it out, and see what is going to be suitable for you. But guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to answer those questions. In our Discord community, we just added basically a fact bot where you can ask any question and it's going to answer that question. And if the question isn't in there, that's even better for us, because then we'll train it on those questions and have those corrected going forward. So we appreciate all those questions. So that's going to be in our Discord community. You can see that as our, let's see, it's listed as a ask a question channel. And then of course, if you need to get in touch with us, you can get in touch through Discord in our Get Help community as well. But guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for checking this out. Again, the Elite Member Learning Center. Head on over to here, start learning, understand why I'm trading the way I'm trading each day, and let's get those questions answered so that we're all on the same page and we all have the same chance of success going forward each day. So guys, I hope you have a great week. I'll see you in the community.
Remember, trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. If you're serious about improving and want to learn directly from our live sessions, visit bullishboblive.com. We're live Monday to Friday, walking through setups, strategies, and everything in between. Thanks again for watching. Stay focused, stay sharp, and keep growing.